what's up? I'm gonna show you how to play Stand By Me on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. We're gonna be in standard tuning with your capo on the 6th fret. Chords you'll need are A minor, E minor, and F. How to play A minor is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. Open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. E minor is open, 2, 2, open, open, open. And F is open, open, 3, 2, 1, 1. You mute that top string, or you can grab the 1 with your thumb. I just mute it. The strumming pattern is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, down, down. So slower is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 down. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, just replay the video. You'll get it.